Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing on my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. This item has been sitting on my wish list for quite some time, and as we all know that Louis Vuitton just increased their price, and I just wanted to get this one before we hit another price increases. So here's my item. So I got this one. I actually got two. I didn't know if it is just me, but my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton that it comes with a ribbon or a card in it. So I don't know why. I don't know. I probably need to, I don't know if it's just me or probably somebody else has experienced the same as I do. So anyways, let's open the box. I have here the first one. The first one that I've got is, this is a bag charm, and I have been eyeing this one for a long time, because I don't know, for a charm, and it's just, I don't know, for a charm, it doesn't really justify for me paying over $500 on this. And I had this one on my wish list for a long period of time, and and this was also, now I think this is $600. Yeah, I think this is already $600, and I think this is gorgeous. I really do. And I think this is just one of those charms that I really like the LV in it, the flowers, it was just so pretty. There's the code. There's the code in it. Oh, it's picking up the code. Yeah, these are so pretty. It's just so pretty. So I didn't have to wait that these beauties probably gonna be $1,000 in the next few years. So it is gorgeous. So let me just try to put this one in one of my purse to see how it looks like. So let me just take this one out. Okay, there you go. So I have here my Nano Speedy. Let me just put this one on my Nano Speedy, see how it looks like. Well, probably the Nano, this one is too small for the Nano Speedy. So let me just see how this one looks like for the Nano Speedy. Oh, this one didn't have much of, yeah. It would be nice if all those charms would spread out. But yeah, but this is just too small. So I'm probably gonna try it on the other one. I have my World Tour. I'm gonna try it my World Tour Speedy bag. Let's just try with this one. I'm gonna take this one out. So this beauty. So I think this one is perfect for, what's that? Perfect for a Speedy 30. Yeah. So with that, you'll be able to see all the charms. They're all spread out. It's so gorgeous. So beautiful. Yeah. Made a lot of difference. It makes the purse come out alive with the charm. So pretty. And also my second purchase, and this one is second purchase is, it's not a charm, but it's a bandeau. I have been eyeing this bandeau I think in January, and this was released in Feb, I think. And this was inspired by the League of Legends. So, let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the one. This is so pretty. This one is in the blue and the silver. This is 100% silk. 100% silk. It has a monogram pattern on the other side. I just really love the blue. The hint of blue. They said it was a silver. This one looks like white to me. So that's the closer look. And there's the code for the product. Code. It's picking up. And that's how it looks like. It's so pretty. See? That's from the League of Legends. It's the other side of it. Other side as well. Just like that. Let me try to put this one. Let's see how it looks like if. Let's just see. I'm just gonna tie it. Just gonna tie it real quick in my. On my. This one. Let me just tie this one real quick on this speedy that I have here. I think it looks gorgeous, the blue itself. The blue, it's just pretty. The blue is so pretty, guys. Look how pretty that is. I know this is not gonna go together, and I'm just trying to see how this one looks like. Yeah. Oh, it's gorgeous. The blue is beautiful. It's stunning. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Wow. And also the charm. It's on this side, the charm. Yeah. I think it looks good together. It might be too much. But otherwise, hold on. Okay, yeah, the blue, the touch of blue is just beautiful. Yeah, the blue is like, yeah, just like that. That's it. This is on my wish list. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.